Methods to choose best WordPress development company. When you need an entirely different and unique WordPress website with custom designs and some additional features and functionalities, then it can be the perfect time to hire a WordPress developer for you. Hiring a WordPress developer is not even an easy task. You can be scammed and fooled off, or misguided multiple times. It is most necessary to know first what a WordPress developer do and what are the major difference between a developer, a programmer, and a designer. All these three are perfect in their own field, so they must be assigned the same work which they are capable of. Before you go to hire one of a developer, programmer, and designer, you should have enough knowledge about their profession and what they actually do. Developer. A WordPress developer has knowledge of styling the looks of a website by implementing various tactics and little tweaks with themes to make it look perfect. They don't regulate the functionalities of a website. You can hire a WordPress developer if you want to refresh the experience of your website and make it look amazing without changing its functions and other options. Programmer. A WordPress programmer is a general programmer who has some experience with WordPress. A WordPress programmer is a bricklayer of the website. He can generate functionalities and a lot of options with his coding skills. All you have to is to instruct him what is your desire with the website, and he will write the code you instructed for. But the fact is that you should hire a developer first, because he can decide well that whether you needed a programmer or not. In reality, a programmer can cost you too much because he generates codes by himself, and that can be useless if that particular thing can be done with a premium plugin. Designer. As discussed above, a WordPress developer is literally an architect. He can suggest you a ton of ideas to make your website awesome and saves a lot of money with his smart decisions. They don't really do programming or coding, they just set up your blog or website according to your desire with the pre-built templates and plugins. In this case, you will need a perfect WordPress designer who will take care of quality design for website. Yes, they can even code also, but usually, they don't. In case if it really needed to code, they will suggest you a good programmer if they failed to find any solution to the need for premium plugins and templates. A perfect developer also knows how to outsource the work. Hiring individuals for this riskiest job is like playing with fire. They can do the perfect job, but they don't guarantee it. So if you want a perfect satisfaction and guarantee along with the quality work, you must go for a web development company. There are several methods you can use to find out the best web developers of your choice. Methods to choose best development company. Identify your need. Before moving on further, ask a question to yourself: what do you need for the WordPress website project? Is it a redesign or a brand new site? Do you need some help with content, or you want to have specific applications to be developed? So, before you go to any WordPress development company, you must be assured that that company fulfills all your needs and demands. You must be assured what you actually need for a WordPress programmer, a WordPress designer, or a WordPress developer. Before selecting any of them, you must know what they can do and what they cannot. Prepare the checklist. You will need to have interaction and conversation with the WordPress development company to find out how will they complete the work and how can they help you out. You must take some time to review them by checking out their portfolios and other project information. And before you schedule a meeting with them, you must take few steps to make it better. You must have the pre-planned structure of your work and an estimated budget along with, to take as a reference. You must have enough information and data to figure out what you need for your site. You can have a reference from your favorite site of your industry or others to select some elements. Before the interaction, you must have an outline of the goals and priorities of your website. Value the experience. Before hiring any WordPress development company, you must assure by its experience in that particular field. It does not matter which partner you are choosing, it must have the one with experience. It will be nice to work with a company with the experience in your desired field, but if it has experience in a variety of projects, then it can be the best. Just make sure. Can they accomplish the work that contains your desired features? Can they work on the projects with complexity in work? What are their process and approach to the work? Finally, searching for a web developer is really a tough task. One wrong decision in selecting the right developer can make your business out of the market along with your beloved website. A website is the heart of any online business. If it is not designed according to customers' need, he will surely not come back to you. Not only design, the even performance of the website matters to the customers. Like if any customer is getting errors while opening your website, then why will he return again? All the above links are the perfect choice to choose a perfect WordPress developer. Yes, freelancing sites are not secure enough to work with, but different designing agencies can help with all your need. You can get your desired developer even by reference, and this is the most widely used methods among the millions of people. So it's better to take security measures before hiring any developer from unknown places.